The question is, the baker packs 20 muffins into boxes of 4. Draw and label a tape diagram to find the number of boxes she packs. To solve this problem, we should draw a tape diagram, and there should be a number sentence, and finally it needs a statement. First, let us see what informations are given. The baker packs 20 muffins. 20 is the total number of muffins. So the total that we know is 20. And those 20 muffins are put into boxes of 4. So that means each box has 4 muffins in it. So we also know the size as 4. What we have to find here is, we have to find how many boxes of muffin was made out of those 20 muffins. That means we have to find how many groups or boxes. So what we don't know is the number of groups. That is an unknown. The first step is to draw a tape diagram. I have shown a tape diagram. The next step is to label the tape diagram. What we know is the total number of muffins and the size of each group or box. So we have to fill in each box with 4, since we know each box has 4 muffins in it, till we reach a total of 20. So 4 plus 4 will make 8, and 8 plus 4 will make 12, and 12 plus 4 will make 16, and 16 plus 4 will make 20. That is the total. Total goes in the circle of the tape diagram. If we have to find either the size or the groups, then we have to go for a division number sentence. Otherwise, if we have to find the total, then we have to go for a multiplication number sentence. In this case, in this problem, since we have to find the number of groups or number of boxes, we have to go for a division number sentence. The division number sentence for this problem is total divided by the size of the group equals what, or unknown. So 20 is the total number of muffins, and 4 is the number of muffins that is present in one box. So 4 is the size, and what we have to find is the number of groups. Okay, now let us count the number of boxes that is needed to put all the 20 muffins in, right? Where each box contains 4 muffins. So this is box number 1, box number 2, box number 3, box number 4, and box number 5. So 5 boxes were needed to put all the 20 muffins, with 4 muffins in each box. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5 groups or 5 boxes. Okay, so finally we need to write the statement for this question. The statement for the question will be, we have to restate the last question. Find the number of boxes she packs. That's the last question. So the baker packs 5 boxes. Let us move on to the next question. The waiter arranges 12 plates into 4 equal rows. How many plates are in each row? So what we know from the question is 12 plates is the total, 4 equal rows is the number of groups, and what we have to find is how many plates are in each row. Each row means we have to find the size or the number of plates in one row or each row. Since we have to find the size, we have to go for a division number sentence. If we don't know the groups, again we will go for the division number sentence. But if we don't know the total, then we go for the multiplication number sentence. Okay, so this problem can be solved using a number bond. Okay, the total goes on the top, so 12 is a total, and let us divide in the 12 into 4 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When we divide 12 into 4 groups, look at the groups. Each group has 3 in it. So the size of each group is 3. So the division equation 12 divided by 4 equals, the answer is 3. The size of each group is found to be 3. Finally, let's do the statement for this question. The statement is, there are 3 plates in each row. How did we get the statement? We have to restate the last question. The last question is right here on the top. How many plates are in each row? So let's restate that question. There are 3 plates in each row, period. The relationship between multiplication and division will be shown here. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. That is the division equation that we just saw, and we used it for the previous problem. So now use the same quotient 3 times the divisor, the same divisor goes here as a factor, equals 12. We know that 3 groups of 4 is 12, right? That means 3 times 4. So this is an example of inverse of division. That is why we call multiplication as an example for inverse of division. So multiplication is an inverse of division. So if you see here, the starting number is 12, and as well as the ending number is also 12. Thus we know multiplication is an inverse of division.